Here at Monolithic, we've done a couple of really fun projects, and one of those is making air-inflated forms for concrete culverts. And we had a project not too long ago where we were building a culvert that was going to be under a lot of pressure because they were going to put a lot of concrete around it. And so, how do you test how much pressure you can put in an airform unless you take it to failure? And that's the purpose of this test here and the video. Just taking one to absolute failure was a lot of fun. We certainly didn't expect such a violent explosion. My wife, who our house is, maybe 800 or 900 yards away from this, said it rattled the windows at the house. It was pretty incredible. We've made quite a few of these. The process is basically we pour a concrete base with the hoop bars already in it, and then inflate the airform inside, finish applying the concrete by hand or spraying it, and what you're left with is a completely concrete reinforced culvert.